relationship and close affinity of our people. History has it that, and as the Majesty mentioned, that some of the ethnic groups here in River State trace their origin to Benin. This includes, amongst others, the Ikwerres, the people of Ahoda and Omoku.
The Ogba of Bini said that history has it that some ethnic groups in River State are from Benin Kingdom. He said that those ethnic groups are Ikwerre, Ahoada, and Omoko. Ikwerre, Ahoada, and Omoko are Igbo people. Their language, culture, and tradition is Igbo. Ahoada people are Ekpeye people. Omoko people are Ogba people. Ahoada, Ogba, and parts of Ikwerre trace their ancestry to a man called Akalaka and his brother Ochichi. Benin Kingdom believes that they are the only people indigenous in Idu land. That is the lie that Bini historians are telling their people. We all know the history of how Benin Kingdom invaded Idu land from Ile-Ife. Not everything that left Idu land is Bini. Idu land occupies different ethnic groups. If you go to Esan, Igodomigodo, Urobo, Isoko, Ijo, and ask them, you people should tell us the meaning of these names in your language. None of them will ever tell you that Ochichi means this thing in our language. Akalaka means this thing in our language. These people don't have Chi in their alphabet. The only indigenous people in Idu land that have Chi in their dialect is Ndi Igbo. Akalaka and Ochichi are core Igbo names. If you go to the southeast, you will see people bearing Akalaka and Ochichi there. If you come to Anyoma land, the same thing. Akalaka means destiny. Ochichi means leader, ruler. Ochichi also means darkness. We all know the reason why Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ekpeye people started claiming that they are not Igbo people. It started before the Biafra War. That was when Ndi Igbo started saying that they want to leave Nigeria. Few days before Biafra declared independence, Gowon removed River State from Old Eastern Region. That was when Ikwerre, Ogba, and Ekpeye people started saying that they are not Igbo people. That was when they started claiming Bini origin. Another ancestor that founded Ikwerre people is called Ogba Nwagidi. Ogba Nwagidi migrated from Arochukwu in Abia State. Those people in Ikwerre land that trace their ancestry to Ogba Nwagidi are called Isiokpo. Isiokpo people are the head of Ikwerre. The ancestry of Isiokpo people is Arochukwu in Abia State. Today, some Ikwerre people are saying that Ogba Nwagidi, the founder of Isiokpo in Ikwerre land, they are saying that Ogba Nwagidi is from Bini, that he's a Bini man. The reason why Ikwerre people are saying that they are from Bini is for people to stop calling them Ndi Igbo. It's for Igbo nation to stop calling them Ndi Igbo. Ogba of Bini, what is the meaning of Ogba Nwagidi? What is the meaning of Akalaka and Ochichi? But because the Ogba of Bini is an expansionist, he have to claim everything that claims to come from Bini. If outside people talk say they are from Benin Kingdom, that the name of their ancestor that came from Bini is Amina, the Ogba of Bini will say yes, they are our children. Why will the Ogba of Bini say that they are children? Is because Ogba of Benin Kingdom wants to expand. That is the same way Bini people are saying that Ezechime is a Bini man. Bini people, tell us the meaning of Ezechime, then of you talk. Instead, they will form a name and say that this is the original name, that Ndi Igbo are the ones that corrupted the name from Ikimi to Ezechime. Bini people have said that Akalaka is not originally called Akalaka, that the name is Obelaka, that it was Ndi Igbo that changed the name from Obelaka to Akalaka. Bini people said that The name Ochichi is not originally pronounced as Ochichi, that is called Ogwigwi, that it was Igbo that changed it from Ogwigwi to Ochichi. Why Oba of Benin no go dey claim Ikwerre people wey be say Ikwerre people dey force Bini identity on themselves? This is what the late Oba of Bini called Ogba and Ekpeye wrote about Ikwerre people. The name of the book is I Remain Sir, Your Obedient Servant. Ogba and Ekpeye wrote here, he said, this peaceful nature appeared to be the only common feature of the entire people. In other respects, their behavior varies with their ethnology. The Ikwerres and the Echies, being the typical Igbos, are most industrious. Women working quite as hard as their men. Of course, they have their moments of relaxation during which they engaged in singing and dancing, like all Igbos. They often went about sparingly clad, but the Ekpeye and Engeni of Western Awada are somewhat different. They are on the whole more indolent than the rest. You heard what Ogba and Ekpeye said. He said, Ikwerre and Echie people are typical Igbos. Today, the present Oba of Bini is claiming that Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people are Bini people. What is Bini in the culture of these people? Ikwerre people don't have Bini culture and tradition. Ogba people don't have Bini culture and tradition. Ekpeye people don't have Bini culture and tradition. Why Oba of Bini no go talk say Ikwerre, Ekpeye and Ogba people na Bini people? Where e be say Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people dey take their mouth to talk say they be Bini people. If you claim say you be Fulani person, Fulani people will claim you. If you claim say you be Ijaw person, Ijaw people will claim you. The reason why we are saying that Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people are Igbo people is because their ancestry is Igbo. If you go to Ekpeye and ask them, what is the name of the ancestor that gave birth to you people? They will tell you Akalaka. If you go to Ogba and ask them the same question, they will tell you Akalaka. Some of them will tell you Ochichi. But today, Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people, they are saying that Akalaka, the name of their ancestor, does not mean destiny. They started saying another thing. Some of them said that Akalaka means precious cup. I saw the video of a man from Ekpeye. He said that Akalaka, the name of their ancestor, means precious cup. I now asked some Bini people that I know offline, what do you people call precious cup in Bini language? They said that precious cup in Bini language is called Ukunoga. And I asked them, what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? They said that there is no word like Akalaka in Bini language. This is to tell you that those set of Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people that are saying that Akalaka means precious cup, this shows that they are all shameless people. People without shame. If una get issue with una Igbo brothers, say the thing pain una, why not say it out? Make that thing come out from una mind. Instead, because I say you get issue with your Igbo brothers, you started saying that you are not an Igbo person. Look at Rotimi Amechi. He's saying that Ndi Igbo should acknowledge him before he will identify as Igbo. Who is Rotimi Amechi? Who be Rotimi Amechi? Where we go come dey talk say, Rotimi Amechi talk say not be Igbo. Well, Rotimi Amechi, if you like, claim Hausa Fulani, we don't care. Igbo is bigger than you. Ofonya de akalo hanine. Ikwerre people they talk say, Igbo people do this, they do that. Is that enough reason for you people to say that you are not Igbo people? Instead, you started claiming Bini identity that is abominable. Don't you know that Bini is an evil identity? Like, it's so shameful to say that you are a Bini person. Benin Kingdom is recorded by the white people as the land of blood. The land where human beings are being slaughtered on a daily basis. Now all those slaughter where Benin Kingdom they slaughter people, now make our ancestors for Edu land run comot from that place. The ancestors of my community Ogume, now because of say Oba of Bini is killing them, using them for slavery and sacrifice. That was the reason why they ran out from Idu land to our present location in Ogume. That was the reason why Ogba and Ekpeye ran out from Idu land to our present location. Some people, they thought say they not be Bini people, say they be some people. They are rejecting Bini identity. Some Yoruba people are doing the same thing online, saying that they are not Bini people. That Bini people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Instead, Ikwerre people, Ogba people, and Ekpeye people, they online, they disgrace themselves. Akalaka means precious cup. Yet, in Bini language, there is no word like Akalaka. There is no word like Ochichi. There is no word like Ogbo. One thing about identity crisis is that in the key brain. Check people who get identity crisis, make you see the way that they reason. These identity crisis people, now them they unite Yoruba people pass. You will see some Okwane, Eka, Oshimili, Anyocha, Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people. They will be telling you that Yoruba people speak Yoruba language. Ijebu speak a kind of Yoruba dialect. Ekiti people speak a kind of Yoruba dialect. Ondo people speak their own dialect, but they are all Yoruba people. But these same people will not tell you that they Ikwerre people speak a kind of Igbo dialect. Okwane speak a kind of Igbo dialect. Eka speak a kind of Igbo dialect. They're not going to talk like that. They are busy saying that Yoruba people that are made up of different dialects, they are saying that Yoruba people are one people. Why they are using their own mouths to divide themselves, to separate themselves from the Bia speaking language that they are speaking, saying that they are a separate people from Igbo, saying that they have no ancestral connection with Igbo, saying that they are different people entirely from Igbo. Is that not stupidity? This is why I said that those people that are suffering from identity crisis, they're not a reason fine. They don't have sense. You they unite Yoruba people, they spoil your own. The Oba of Bini will never be happy to see a Bini community saying that they are of Igbo origin. You will never see Bini people tell you that these Bini people in our land came from Igbo land though. Those Bini people that greet Lavieze, they are of Igbo origin. Yet you will never see the Oba of Bini say that these Bini people that are greeting Lavieze, that they are Igbo people from Igbo land. That they protect their own, they protect their unity. Why Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people, they don't sell themselves, they give Oba of Bini. Ikwerre people are saying that Akalaka is a member of Bini royal family. Where is that particular family, that particular person that gave birth to Akalaka and Ochichi, his brother? Bini people should show us that family. Let them tell us the meaning of Akalaka. Let them tell us the meaning of Ochichi. In Bini history, up till now, no single Bini person have ever bear that name Akalaka. You are not of Bini origin. You are not a Bini person, and you are claiming Bini origin. You are automatically calling yourself a slave to Benin Kingdom. You just present yourself, they give Oba of Bini. We be Igbo people, but we no want identify as Igbo people again. No, we be Bini people. Accept us. It's so shameful. Ikwerre people, make una cover una face in shame. The king of Ogba in River State have changed his title from Eze Ogba to Oba of Ogba. Ogba historian said that they don't have any title as Oba of Ogba. That what they call their king is Eze. The same thing is happening to Opobo people. Opobo people that trace their ancestry to King Jaja that came from Imo State. Opobo people still speak that Igbo language today. Yet their new king elect, they talk say they should be speaking Ibani language, that they should be teaching Ibani language in school. He is saying it to wipe out the Igbo language that Opobo people are speaking, so that they will start speaking Ijo language. Ikwerre people said that their ancestor Akalaka left Idu land to Abo. He got to Abo and married a woman from Abo. He left Abo, came down to Abo and married another woman from Abo. That was the reason why they Ikwerre or Ogba and Ekpeye people now speak Igbo language, because their mothers are speaking Igbo language. Shameless people. Akalaka Webiuna Papa, what is the meaning of his name? His name is Destiny. Akalaka is an Igbo man. In Benin history, they don't have any ancestor there called Akalaka. That is to tell you that This Bini origin that Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people are claiming that Akalaka is from is a lie. Akalaka and his brother Ochichi are from this Okwani area. Now from this our place for Okwani land, therefore migrate, go that river state where they dey today. They are not from Bini. In that Bini history book, they did not mention Akalaka and Ochichi there. They did not mention Oponwagidi there. Bini history did not record anybody called Akalaka and Ochichi in their history. Why are Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people forcing themselves into Bini history? You will see elderly men from Ikwerre, Ekpeye and Ogba open their mouths, they lie, they deceive the upcoming generation. Akalaka means precious cup. For Benin Kingdom, it does not mean precious cup. It has no meaning. The history of Ezechime, Benin Kingdom has the history of Ezechime that Ezechime is not a member of Bini royal family. Ezechime is not a Bini man, that he is an Igbo man who entered Benin Kingdom as a Dibia. The Obas of Bini know this history. We Anema people, we have the history that Ezechime is an Igbo man that left Idu land and founded some communities in Anyoma land. Benin Kingdom has the history that Ezechime is not a Bini man, that he lived in Benin Kingdom, left that land and founded some communities in Anyoma land. That is to tell you that Ezechime history is well known and documented. But in Benin history, they don't have the history of anybody called Akalaka and Ochichi. That is to say that Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people are lying. Look at how Oba Bini is claiming to own the land of Ijaw people in Edo State. Oba Bini is an expansionist, and if you claim that Oba Bini gave birth to you, he will say that he's the one that gave birth to you. Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people, you people should start telling yourself the truth. Stop deceiving the upcoming generation in your land. If you people like, claim that you people are Bini people from now till tomorrow. History will always disappoint you people. Akalaka, Ochichi and Oponwagidi are not Bini people, but Igbo people. Ishiawale.